Hey guys!
Hi!
Today we're challenging you to a taste test. You'll be guessing which meals are from AirAsia's in-flight menu and which meals are from the hawker stall.
Interesting.
I think this will be quite easy for me because I always fly AirAsia and Dylan always eats hawker food.
Nice.
It's true, right?
It's not wrong, it's not wrong.
Maybe it's not that easy.
Yeah. We got this.
We are food twins.
Right, so right one? Yes.
I can smell the sambal.
Yeah, sambal's quite strong.
That was a big mouthful.
Wow, this tastes a lot like the kakak's nasi lemak on Mondays.
I gotta say though, the sambal
really
is
good.
like top notch.
You know what makes a good nasi lemak?
When Dylan doesn't talk.
Oh, that's a completely different smell.
It's like the lemak of the nasi
Yeah,
lemak.
yeah, yeah. It's like a very lemaki smell.
What is it called? There's a word.
Santan?
I feel like the second one, which had the bougie chicken.
The left one, is it? The left one?
Yeah, the left one is AirAsia.
I'm gonna pick the right one.
So I'm gonna guess that it's the left one, the second one that we ate.
Okay, yeah, I agree. Left side. AirAsia.
Correct. Agreed.
Yes! Yeah! I'm right!
Wow.
Why you high five? You just copy my answer only.
I should have known.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so I can fit it in, so...
Why does it taste like takpan?
It just tastes like nasi campur to me.
Eh, just takpan?
Wow.
Maybe.
Actually, quite cute, can you imagine? Oh, wow. Is that green sambal? Oh, it's spicy.
To me, it just tastes like rice and beef rendang lah. It just reminds me of like Hari Raya.
I said
I'm gonna say right and
No,
it's
right one is the hawker sauce.
I think the right is Asia.
Okay, I'm gonna say left. The AirAsia one is the second one, which is
Left
the
hand
green
side, right?
sambal. Yeah, the left hand side one.
You were right! Oh my god!
Yeah!
Oh, see that? Nasi dagang. Padang. Hey, this lessing. This lessing.
Oh!
Oh!
Ooh, I can smell that chicken rice smell.
Damn.
Where's the chicken?
This is what's gonna throw me off.
Why?
I don't eat my chicken rice with sauce.
You're basic.
So let's try the other one.
You know this chicken?
What, before it died on the chopping board or what?
See, the rice here is more moist. I don't
That's
know.
true. It's juicier actually.
I think this is the first time I heard someone call rice juicy.
3, 2, 1.
Left side.
Saya rasa is the left one.
Left one, huh?
Right.
I think it's
yummy
left too.
lah.
I'm gonna say left is AirAsia.
Right is Asia.
Yay! Who is your daddy?
Oh, guess what? We're right.
It is.
Oh my god, I'm so good!
Why do I challenge Ashley? She knows her Asia
Yeah,
food.
you shouldn't challenge
Oh
me,
man.
Oh my god, is it dessert? Do you keep
Oh my
the last for dessert?
god! Are we having dessert?
Did you eat it already?
Not yet.
What are you doing with it? You're being very suspicious about everything. I can't.
I like this.
I don't like it.
I love it. This is one of my favorite kuehs, bengkang.
I swear it tastes like kueh bingka and I
Yeah.
love it because I'm obsessed with kueh bingka.
Why is this spoon so cold?
It's like sort of, you.
It's whipped cream! It's whipped cream and cheesecake. Oh, that's so good! Oh my god!
Yeah, if I had to choose, then I would say the left one is from Asia, right
Correct.
one is from
And right one
hawker.
The right.
I feel like I'm gonna say right too.
I'm gonna guess that it was the ubi, the right one.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna guess the ubi too.
Oh.
Wait, which is which?
It's actually the cheesecake.
You can get cheesecake on a flight?
Exactly!
Oh my god, we're wrong.
Oh, okay, we're right.
Guys, how do you feel about all the food that you've tried?
So good. It's so yum.
Yeah.
My favorites are definitely the rendang.
Oh yes.
Yeah, rendang so good. And the cheesecake.
Okay, what do you think?
Yeah, legit. So everything tasted good.
After trying today's meals, especially the chicken rice, you should definitely try it because it's so tasty.
Okay, so next time I will not order chicken rice.
But
I will order
the
something
problem
else.
is now, Gowri, there's like so many good things. I don't know which one I want.
So do you usually like pre-book meals?
Yes, I always. It's a very automatic thing for my family to book, and then like I kind of like adapted. It's cheaper if you pre-book. It's actually 10 ringgit for the
10
meal
ringgit per-
and a drink.
Oh.
Yeah, you also get served first. All you have to do is show your boarding pass. Yes.
True.
Travel like Ashley.
Now, we have Santan Express. You can pre-book your meals up to 4 hours before your flight on airasia.com or via the AirAsia mobile app.
So guys, if you enjoyed watching us eat all this delicious food, make sure you let us know in the comment section down below.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Bye! I go eat cheesecake now.
None for you, bye.